Peloton troubleshooting screen issues. Screen issues on your Peloton can disrupt your workout experience. Whether your screen goes blank or the touchscreen stops responding, it's frustrating. Here are some solutions to common screen problems. Blank screen fixes. If your Peloton screen is blank, try these steps. 1. Check the power connection. Ensure the bike is plugged in securely. 2. Inspect the power adapter. Verify the adapter is working. Use a different outlet. 3. Restart the bike. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Check the monitor cable. Ensure the cable is connected properly. 5. Update software. Outdated software can cause screen issues. Touch screen not responding. If the touch screen is not responding, try these steps. Clean the screen. Use a soft, dry cloth to wipe the screen. Restart the bike. Hold down the power button for 10 seconds. Check for software updates. Update to the latest software version. Reset the touchscreen. Go to Settings and select Factory Reset. Problem solution. Blank screen, check power connection. Restart bike touchscreen. Not responding clean screen, update software. This video will be useful and you will like it. Please subscribe this channel to get new videos. Your love is always desirable for us. Finally, don't forget to like, share, comment on this video. Thank you for watching video.